So welcome to this short video for the flat known as São Vicente 1. It's located in Alfama, in a narrow alley, as you can see here, in the historical part of Lisbon. We're now entering. Here you get a glimpse of the dining space, of the kitchen. In here is the shower, and upstairs, this is where the bedroom is. This is a view to the streets. Here's a picture of Alfama. Here's the bed, and here's the panoramic window, and here is what is arguably the best view of Lisbon. This flat is located in 5-star location in the historical part of Lisbon and has a fantastic view of the historical part of Lisbon.